Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, October 13th. And yes, we are still in a government shutdown. And you can see this warning from Forex Factory. The U.S. government may be impacted by the data may be impacted by the shutdown. Tentative events are scheduled to delay revision and or cancellation. So that is our new normal. Here we go. So what do we got going on today? We have no U.S. one U.S. item at 12:55. We have FOMC member Paulson speaking. That is it. That's a yellow number or yellow. Whenever that's yellow, it means low impact, which means that it's a pre-prepared speech and or it's already been released, et cetera, and it doesn't impact the market with monetary policy or interest rate information. So that being said, there's really nothing going on from a news perspective at all. Of course, we could have some Trump tweets or something said about China that could affect the market like it did on Friday. Moving on, looking at the daily chart, big, ugly day on Friday. Very ugly day. We blew through the 20-day moving average. We blew through the 50-day moving average on heavy volume. Really ugly day. We're gapping up as we speak on the assumption that everything Trump said on Friday was baloney and that everything is okay. Obviously, the market is a little bit skeptical and therefore it's not retracing the entire amount. I think the market has a lot of other things going on besides China that creates problems for this economy. That being said, we were looking for a catalyst. We sort of got that catalyst on Friday. And the question is even after Trump sort of tried to reverse his stance, the market's not super happy, it looks like today. Where could we go? I think we could easily test this low volume node at 64.97, which is basically 6,500. There's another low volume node here, 65.80, certainly could be of interest. On the upside, probably the 20-day moving average right there is going to be resistance, 67.22 area. We'll have to wait and see. Moving on, looking at the inventory. Inventory was down, although not nearly as much as I'd expected on down volume or down price action. That's what it's supposed to do. Looks like right in here we had some bottom fishers. Some buy the dip folks came in here. It wasn't enough to keep price from continuing to go down, but they did buy into this down move. So a lot of people interpret that as being bullish. I interpret it as being the weak hands that eventually are going to get blown out. And when they do, it's going to be really ugly. Looking at the overnight action. So here's kind of an interesting, we gap up. So here's the low. So low to high, we have a range of 74 points. However, that doesn't really tell the whole story, seen as the close and low of Friday was way down here at 65.40. This would be a 164 point move overnight. So I don't know whether you want to say it's 74 because technically we gapped up and this is the low and the overnight action is from low to high, 74 points, or include the gap, which would be 164. That's very high volatility. Be very careful today. Way outside of normal. Stock Traders Almanac is 42.9% chance the market will be up today. That means we have a 58% chance the market will be down today. So there you have the historics from the Stock Traders Almanac. That's all I've got for you. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.